Hello everyone. Today I want to show you what we are teaching in our workshops about AI. And Paula Kühn and I, we made a new workshop, and it's called Generative Vision Lab. You need a name, right? And it's not about just generating images and videos, but more exploring like the whole what can the creative industry, what AI tools can they use or they need. So yeah, that's the website. So it's on our website, my website at the moment, but we're gonna make a new one only for those workshops. And yeah, it's about the foundations of image generation, understanding stable diffusion and everything. It's about training LoRAs, like hands-on, what is a LoRA? We can train, or we will train a LoRA with you. Like LoRAs are those mini models, and we will explore all the general AI tools like Crea and what's the downside and the upside, general image tools, image to 3D tools and other 3D tools, how to use Blender, and also how to use AI to restyle a campaign. So you can kind of use it for, so agencies can use it to create campaigns which are coherent visually, and also how you can use AI for post FX. And also we'll dive into AI influencers. So if you're interested, you can book a workshop, and we're happy to come to your place or to do that online. That's a little advertisement. Other than that, yeah, I'm working still on all the projects, like website projects, and planning a new trip to LVMH in Paris with our team. So yeah, that's all pretty exciting, and have a lovely day.